Order fill.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is, hold on one second, Thursday, July 25th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, 555 H pattern Fibonacci, H pattern. Normally I wouldn't do this, but if this price closes and holds around the 461.50, I'm going to buy more contracts going into this.
Order fill.
And what we just did is we scaled in more on this position right now.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to hold out a little bit longer. I want to see how this bar closes, and depending on how it closes will determine most likely we're going to get out of this trade. But there's still some pressure pushing this price up, so we might get a little bit more on the gain.
Order fill.
And there's better than a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, July 25th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, H pattern. As you can see, the price got to our $1 marker with speed and violence. I didn't even have enough time to put on the alert to let us know when we got to our dollar, but we are at that dollar marker. Once the price moves farther past this $1 area, we're going to lock in this profit. And depending on how the next minute or two goes, we might ride this all the way up, have it peak out, close out, and then move on to the next potential setup that we might find throughout the day. Just because of the nature of how we got to this destination, this might be a short-lived quick run, and we want to capitalize as best as possible on it. At this point, we're up almost $2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop ahead of the price, and hopefully if the price lunges up real quick, we'll get filled at a $2 move and then see what happens from there.
Order fill.
And our stop got triggered at a $2 move. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen, $2 move on QQQ today. As always, never forget, be a pro.